Today on Mom's Dinner, we're making instant pot chili. It will taste like it's simmered on your stove all day, but it's done in 30 minutes. Start with your pot on saute mode, add oil and then a pound of ground beef. Drain any excess grease, then add 3 garlic cloves, an onion, 2 celery stalks, and 1 bell pepper. Soften those veggies for about 10 minutes on the saute function. Add your sugar, chili powder, oregano, cumin, salt, black pepper, allspice, clove, and red pepper flakes. Now add half a cup of water, great northern beans, a can of chili beans, tomato sauce, and a can of diced tomatoes. Now do not stir. Pop the lid on. Set your pot for chili and bean mode, 10 minutes, normal heat, high pressure. Let it cook and let it also do a 5-minute natural release. Finish releasing the pressure by doing a quick release. Your chili is ready. Give it a few stirs and then serve it in bowls topped with all of your favorite chili toppings: cheese, jalapenos, green onions, sour cream, Fritos, crumbled up cornbread, whatever you like, and enjoy it to every last bite.